Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Memoji on your iPhone. Apple rolled out the ability to create a Memoji on the iPhone as part of iOS 12. Memoji are an expansion on Animoji released as part of iOS 11, except they allow you to create an animated person rather than just letting you select an animated animal. After creating a Memoji, you can record short videos where your chosen Memoji will replace your face and replicate your actions, or you can simply take a picture and have the Memoji replace your face. And now, let's walk through the steps to create a Memoji on your iPhone. Step 1. Tap to launch the Messages app and then tap the new message icon in the upper right corner of the screen. The new message window appears. Step 2. Locate the row of icons along the bottom of the screen directly above the on-screen keyboard. Tap the icon that looks like the face of a monkey. A menu featuring face icons appears in place of where the keyboard used to be. Step 3. Swipe right over the row of faces until you see a new Memoji icon. This icon features a plus sign. Tap New Memoji. A screen appears with a face icon located at the top of the screen. Step 4. Select Skin and then tap to select a skin color. You can use the slider beneath the colors to choose a more granular shade within a specific color. On the lower part of the skin screen, you can choose to give your Memoji freckles. Step 5. Select Hairstyle after you're finished adding skin options. The Hairstyle screen appears. The majority of women's hairstyles are listed on the top half of this screen, while the majority of men's hairstyles appear on the bottom half. Step 6. Tap Head Shape when you're finished modifying your hairstyle. First, choose the age option you want to associate with your Memoji. The three options essentially represent young, middle-aged, and older. Next, select a chin. These options range from a pointed jawline to a chiseled jawline and everything in between. Step 7. Tap Eyes after adding your chin. You'll first choose your eye color. Again, you can use the slider to choose a more specific shade of a particular high-level color. Next, you'll choose your eye appearance. Finally, select the eyelashes you want to feature on your Memoji. Step 8. Tap Browse in the list of options. A color selector associated with your eyebrows appears along the top, and you'll have a healthy variety of eyebrows to choose from, with everything from pencil thin to nesting badger at your disposal. Step 9. Next, tap Nose and Lips. First, you'll choose your nose for your Memoji. Then, you'll select a color associated with your lips before selecting your lips type. Step 10. Select Ears in the list of options along the top of the screen. First, select your ear type and then select any earrings you want to add to your Memoji. Step 11. Choose Facial Hair. Choose whether or not to add sideburns to your character in the first section. You can choose to either have simple sideburns or full-on mutton chops. Next, you can opt to add a mustache or beard. First, you'll choose the color. After selecting a color, you'll see a Highlights Color Selector appear. Choosing a highlight color will add that color to your mustache or beard. Step 12. Next, tap Eyewear. You'll be able to choose a color associated with the frames and lenses, and then you'll have a decent variety of lenses to choose from. Step 13. Finally, tap Headwear. This is where you choose the color associated with your headwear, and then choose from a wide variety of options, such as a beanie, a top hat, a cowboy hat, a baseball cap, and more. Step 14. Tap Done in the upper right corner of the screen after you're finished creating your Memoji. You'll be returned to the Animoji screen, where you'll now see your Memoji displayed in the list of options for you to choose from in your messages. Congratulations! You now know how to create a Memoji on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. If you like what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.